To install the new bracket for your bill dispenser, you will want to start by unfastening the nuts underneath the bill boxes at the rear of the dispenser. Once removed, pull back on the dispenser towards you to free it from the front fasteners. Lift up and out towards you while also making sure to not pull too hard on the two harnesses that plug into the right side of the dispenser. Angle the dispenser so you can safely disconnect the harnesses and then continue lifting the dispenser out of the cabinet. Once removed, place on an empty workspace and grab a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the two screws that are pictured. Lean the dispenser forward and pull on the bracket. The underneath will disconnect from that end, and then lower so you can access the bracket screws. Unscrew the 4 screws pictured to remove your old bracket. Reinstall the new bracket just like we had removed the old bracket. Then, refasten the 2 rear screws that connect the underneath panel. With the new bracket on, we need to reinstall the dispenser. Make note of the extended slots of the new bracket. This will allow for much easier adjustments. Gently slide the dispenser back into the cabinet. When the dispenser is partially in, reinstall the 2 harnesses. Inspect the bracket to make sure the studs line up properly. Push the dispenser to the right wall of the cabinet. Make sure the top belt is aligned just to the right of center of the door slot. The dispenser seems to favor ejecting bills slightly to its left. After aligning, the dispenser should also line up centered or just to the right of this nut. Make any final adjustments to the dispenser's position and check that the rear studs are all the way into the slots of the bracket. Once happy with the position, tighten the 2 rear nuts to keep the dispenser from moving further.